Okay, we got our head all sanded down. Got everything is set up. So, and we sanded it down real good, the same with the mouth. Now I'm just going to use some regular wood filler. I added just a little bit of water to make it a little more pasty. So you want to make sure you wipe everything down with a damp cloth to make sure you get all the dust off of it. Then we're going to cover the whole entire head with this wood filler to seal everything. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. I see I got a few followers from the Philippines, so I'd like to give a shout out to them. Thanks for watching. Okay. So like I said, I add a little bit of water just to make it a little more pasty. And I'll start on the inside and work my way out. We'll cover everything, the entire head with this. Let it dry good overnight. Then we'll go out and sand it down and then touch up where we need to touch up. And if you need to, you can put a little bit of water on your finger to smooth it out a little more if you want. That works pretty good that way too. You can see by adding just a little bit of water on your finger, that really helps us smooth it down some more for you. But this will seal up all the little scratches and little nicks and stuff you got in there. This will seal it all real nice. And what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll sand it all down, and then we'll go back in and touch up the spots that need to be touched back up. It didn't totally smooth out for me. And then we'll sand it again, and then by then hopefully we'll be ready to start adding paint. And then you see where we got our screws in here and the screw in here. That's why I said we cover it up with putty. We'll seal it with that and sand it down, and then you'll never see that screw. And you won't see the one in the ear also. Put a a little bit in here and spread it out. There we go. So we'll keep working on this, and then we'll come back with the next step. So thanks for watching.